So coming from experience, back pain is no joke. It can really set you back, and oftentimes surgery is the only thing that can give you some relief.
So typically surgery on your spine means you're on the operating table for hours, and recovery can take months. That is until you meet the doctors at Inspired Spine. They're performing minimally invasive spine surgeries that are giving people relief much quicker. Now, I recently chatted with one of those patients who says Inspired Spine gave her life back.
6 weeks ago, Angela Ellison had surgery on her spine.
What kind of pain were you in?
A lot. Between an 8 and a 10, and it was in my middle back, lower back, went down to my left leg weakness, numbness, tingling. I tripped all the time.
Did something trigger it?
I lifted a chair.
Did you know immediately something was wrong?
Oh, yeah, because I almost passed out. There's so much pain in my back, my leg, some even in my arm.
By the time people are 50 years old, there is a 70% chance they have back pain. By the time we are 70 years old, there's only 2% chance we don't have back problem.
Dr. Abbasi is one of the nation's leading spine surgeons, helping people right here in Minnesota at Inspired Spine.
The amount of the care that we are providing for spine is only second to cardiovascular disease. About 1 million spine surgeries are performed annually in the United States. Half of them are fusions. And we have calculated that the old way is literally not sustainable.
Dr. Abbasi says the old way isn't the best way. It's why he's performing minimally invasive spine surgeries that take about an hour and shorten recovery.
And we have struggled for a very long time to find the perfect path to that. I think the technology is there. But it goes from the back, exactly in the border between the muscles in the back and belly in the front.
You're going in through a tube, you said, the size of a pin.
A little bigger than a pen, yeah.
So I would imagine that means recovery is much better.
And we have a track record for that. And we have farmers that go back to their farming work within weeks, or truck drivers that within 2 weeks are back doing their job. It just makes sense, if we don't destroy lots of tissue on the way of getting in, that people recover faster.
It's 6 weeks since your surgery. You told us what you felt like before.
Yeah.
How do you feel now?
Well, before, for the last year and a half, I haven't been able to walk more than 3 blocks. And I can walk 2 miles now. I haven't
6 weeks
tripped.
after surgery.
Yep, I can walk 2 miles. I have not tripped once. All my middle back pain is completely gone. I have a little bit in the low back, but it's only been 6 weeks, and some issues with my left hip, but he's not surprised because of how he did procedures. So he said everything was going A-okay.
Now that you feel better, do you have any summer plans coming up? Anything that you've been putting off?
Everything. Everything. I mean, I could watch my grandson for the first time in a year and a half by myself. Otherwise, I always had to have my boyfriend or my son or one of my other children with me.
It is not about the individual skill of a surgeon. It's about the different technology that enables that. This is a marvel of technology, not a personal achievement. And truly, I believe that.
You had a life-changing injury, and now the surgery, would you call it life-changing as well?
Oh, completely.
Wow.
It's just so incredible. You know, a week ago, Angela was able to travel to her daughter's wedding in Wyoming. She had to stop a bit more in the car. She rode in a car many hours, but she says she didn't even think that she would make it, and she did. So it's a really amazing surgery. Dr. Abbasi isn't only helping people right here in Minnesota, he also trains other neurosurgeons across the country on his new technique.
And you can learn more about the OLIF procedure and request an initial appointment at inspiredspine.com. We have that link posted at TwinCitiesLive.com. Well, still to come, the dog days of summer continue with dog-friendly tech. Everything from light-up collars to dog bowls to toys you can control with your phone. We've got a roundup for you.